Hey lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Genevieve. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this cute headband wig using an old extension. Yes, an old extension. Guys, if you have an old extension you feel like you don't want to use anymore, you want to throw it away, I advise you today, do not throw it away. You can also use it to make a wig, okay? Use it to make a wig and add to your wig collections. I've made a video of how I used an old hair to make a wig and it came out looking very, very beautiful. Even my client did not believe that that was the same hair she gave to me. And this is the same thing that happened on this one. When my client saw it, she was so happy that I could use such a hair to make such a wig. Alright guys, so moving on to the video. I just showed you the headband I'm going to use for this headband wig. Alright, the headband came like that. They already attached the velcro on it, so I don't need to stress myself anymore. So I just went ahead to sew it down to the wig cap. Alright, but when I'm sewing it, I did not sew it round. I did not sew it all the way around, just like the way I placed it on the wig cap. I sewed it, and when I got to the back where the velcro is, I left the space, okay? In case you want to open the velcro or close it back, then you see space to do that, all right? And also I went ahead to sew down some wig combs underneath the cap for extra hold, okay? In case you are not satisfied with just the velcro holding your hair, maybe you feel, okay, something might just, hook on it and it will fall off from your hair, you can put the wig comb for extra hold, okay, for it to be more firm to your head when you're wearing it. All right, so guys, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support, and also thank you for stopping by. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed and join the family, okay? Also, don't forget to hit the like button, turn on the notification bell so you get notifications on any of my new uploads. All right. So guys, here I'm showing you how the velcro is, okay, where you can open and then close it back if you want. All right guys, so I'm going up to start sewing down the extension to the cap. All right, so guys, this is the extension. I already revamped it. All right, then I'm going on to sew that down. Making this wig is so simple, it is so easy. It's very, very easy, okay? So guys, all you need to do is just sew down your headband and then go on to sew down the extensions, and that's it. That is it. Very, very easy. Okay guys, I will not be walking you through this video because it is a very simple wig, okay? So I'll just allow you to watch and I'll be right back.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it, it's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric. vibes in my mind, I can't get them out. No matter how hard I try, I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric.
Alright guys, so I'm almost done. So I'm showing you where you sew. Okay, so you just sew a line till you cover up the whole space. Alright, so guys, I'm done here. I'm showing you the leave-in conditioner I'll be applying on the hair. It's called Mediana leave-in conditioner. So I went ahead to add it into my spray bottle and I added water into it. So I'm spraying it onto it to make the curls to pop well. Alright, so after spraying it, I'm just going to use my hand to fluff the hair off, and then that's it for this video, guys. If you've stayed with me till this moment, I really want to appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and please, have you clicked on the subscribe button? Did I just hear that? Okay, thank you so much. All right, and also please give it a thumbs up. Click on the like button. Wow, that's good. I heard the sound. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. God bless you and bless your endeavors, guys. I will see you all in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you all, but God loves you more. Peace.